How to waterproof and thermal coat your caravan roof. Step 1. Surface prep. Before anything else, it's time to clean. Remove any old silicone or sealants using a wire brush or a drill brush attachment. Once that's off, hit the roof with a power washer or rotary cleaner to remove dirt, grime and loose material. A clean surface is key to getting the best result. Let it dry completely before moving on. Step 2. Reinforcing the seams. Mask off the areas you're sealing. Using a brush, apply liquid rubber DIY waterproof sealant to any cracks, joins, holes, seams or rusty spots. Try not to brush over the tape on this first coat. Keep the edges clean so you can coat right up to them on the second pass. While the sealant is still wet, press pre-cut geotextile into place. Then brush over it again to fully embed and seal it in. Ensure the geotextile sits smooth, no air bubbles, no wrinkles. If any tape has sealant on it, remove it straight away while it's still wet. Finally, spray on Rapid Cure to instantly set the layer and protect it from approaching rain. Let it cure for 4 to 12 hours. Step 3. Second coat. Once cured, apply your second coat of waterproof sealant right over the first. At this stage, you can brush right over the edge of the masking tape for a sharp, clean line. Again, remove the tape while it's still wet. Give it a light spray with Rapid Cure for a faster set. Let it cure until next day. Step 4. Prime the surface. Brush on the sealer primer over the cured waterproof sealant, then roll it over the entire surface area for even coverage. If you're working on raw metal, use the etch primer instead. Let it cure for a few hours before moving on. Step 5. Thermal coating. First coat. Apply a thick, even coat of thermal coating right over the primed black sealant. Let that dry for 6 to 12 hours. Then roll on a second coat to cover the full area. Step 6. Final coat. Once dry, apply your final coat using a brush, roller or spray gun. You can repeat this step until the product is used up. 3 coats over the black rubber sealant and 2 coats over the rest of the surface is usually enough. But adding more layers will improve long-term durability and performance. And that's it. Your caravan roof's looking brand new, fully sealed and protected. With long-lasting waterproofing, UV defense and heat-reflective power, you're ready to hit the road with peace of mind on your next camping trip.